Wow, it's been 1 week since our last analysis video, and damn, right now a lot has changed in crypto. One, we got FTX exchange, it's gone. Now, second, SBF, also known as the co-founder and CEO or previous CEO of FTX, he is now the most hated person in crypto. And after a little bit of that drama that he had with CZ last week that we talked about, I'm sure you probably already know by now how that ended. A lot of cryptocurrencies and exchanges are pretty much screwed right now. We're going to talk a little bit about that as well. But first up, let's talk about Bitcoin. And then later on in the video, let's have a look at Ethereum. So let me pull up Bitcoin's chart right now. This right here. If you're bullish, this is not good. If you see here at Bitcoin, it's kind of weird that we got exactly what we were looking for with that rejection right up here at $21,000. This was not even with expecting the news to come out with the whole FTX saga, but $21,000 rejection. That's what I was looking for in the last video. That's exactly what we got. And since then, Bitcoin from that range is down about 25%. And if you didn't see the last video, I think it is worth watching because you can also see the support levels that I was taking a look at down here at about 19,000. Like I mentioned, that next test of that level, we would see Bitcoin break that level. And right now, Bitcoin, look where it is trading at, $15,900. Is this the end of this downturn? I do not believe so. I'm staying bearish. I actually think with this support right here at 19 that broke, this right here, this leg down is just a new indication of the bear market to last much longer. Now, if I zoom out here on Bitcoin, if you see here, when we were moving up, you can see right here, this level was a resistance and it became a support. Now we're moving down and we're in that middle of that range. So there was not a lot of volume and not a lot of consolidation all the way from right here at about $12,000 all the way to about $20,000. And you can expect the exact same thing to happen on the way down. The price broke to 20,000, 19,000 support, and we shouldn't expect much support all the way down to about $12,000 for Bitcoin, which would bring Bitcoin down another 25%. As for now, 12,000 is that range that I'm looking at for the bottom. I'm not really looking at any other levels until we do reach that levels. Then I can start looking how the price action is playing out. But I think Bitcoin would bottom somewhere above between $10,000 to $12,000 is the best case scenario for the bulls right now. And then some type of consolidation in that range, and then continuation in 2024 to 2025 for a new bull market. Now, up until next week, I'm looking for Bitcoin maybe to find some support in these current levels, but the downtrend continues and my eyes are on $12,000. Let's keep going with this week's analysis. Welcome to the channel. It is me, John Doe, here on Currency.com. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you do like this video, hit that thumbs up, and continue showing your support. And subscribe as well right here on the channel below on the video. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up as always. And as well, if you want to follow me even more, you can find my Twitter right here. Just search @RealJohnDoe. Follow me there for much more crypto content. Now, for this past week, crypto has been messy. Like we all know that. And remember last week in that video clip I posted of BitBoy where he was freaking out calling Sam SBF the devil in crypto? Well, like BitBoy said right here in a tweet, you guys remember that clip of me pissed off yelling that went around the internet? He was telling us that Sam SBF was the devil trying to ruin crypto. He said it hits different now, doesn't it? And of course it does. Yes, of course it does. Make sure you have a look at our previous video to see that clip that I posted right here on Twitter in response. Now, if you're not really in the loop and you don't know the whole FTX saga, well, FTX was one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges, and they filed for bankruptcy because they were doing some shady shit. They were using customers' funds to trade and whatever else they were doing. And now it all came out. First here, beginning of November, the reports showed that the company held a lot of FTT, which was their native token. And it was known that a lot of FTT was moving to Binance. And then Alameda CEO explained that the company's balance sheet was not only holdings of FTT, there was other balances in there. Now, what happened now, Binance, CZ, the CEO of Binance Exchange, came and tweeted that he is aware of something that's happening and he doesn't like it. And his plan is to sell some of their FTT holdings that they had. And then on November 6th, FTX and Alameda, their CEO, offered to buy Binance's FTT holdings instead of them selling it onto the market. And then on November 7th, FTX withdrawals started to slow down and people weren't able to get their money out. And then the CEO, Sam, he said that the assets are fine. And he started making some drama with CZ from Binance. CZ then refused to make the OTC deal that FTX offered him. And the price of FTT started to begin to drop, and as well as crypto markets all together. Now, what happened after that is FTX started to face a liquidity crunch where apparently they had no more money left. So they offered to be sold to Binance. And Binance made them an offer. And I don't know exactly what happened, but that didn't work out. And Binance pulled out. But the CEO, Sam, SBF, he said that FTX was fine and that the assets on there are fine. Now, with all this drama happening, the whole crypto market, red, everything dropping. Bitcoin dropping, XRP dropping. Nothing was safe right now, especially Solana and the FTT token. And then what came to light was FTX needed about $8 billion in emergency funding to be able to provide to customers, which was money that they spent. They spent the customers' money. And then FTX's website started acting up. It started shut down. They weren't able to withdraw people's money. And now one of their biggest investors in the FTX, they had a $214 million stake and they wrote it off to zero. And then November 10th, Sam Bankman-Fried apologizes on Twitter about this whole liquidity crisis. And he's saying he fucked up and that he's sorry. And then all of a sudden, FTX files for bankruptcy. Now, here we are today. No one knows the exact amount of liabilities they have. Some say it's about $8 to $10 billion. Now, Sam, the CEO of FTX, he has stepped down now, but no one knows exactly where he is. Some say that he's on the run, actually. He was previously located in Bahamas, but apparently he tried to flee to Dubai, and now he's under supervision. And we are still waiting for more to unfold on this story. And right here, this is Sam's Twitter. He hasn't really tweeted anything since November 11th. Saying he's trying to plan something. There are these tweets right here where he said what and H. So I don't know if he's hacked or whatever, but things are not looking good for crypto overall with this that just happened. But look, we can enjoy some memes right here. The Big Short Part 2. Look at that. Michael Saylor, CZ. We also got Dogecoin and Sam. But CZ has kind of been transparent overall. A lot of crypto exchanges are starting to show proof of reserves. But now things are not making sense with other crypto exchanges because Crypto.com says that they accidentally sent 320K Ethereum to another crypto exchange. But the funds were recovered. But a lot of things right now are not adding up. A lot of trust has been lost in crypto. And this is what has been impacting the price of cryptocurrencies these past few days, this past week. Bitcoin right now, it shows that there are 77% buyers, 23% sellers on Currency.com, but it could be short covering. Right now, I don't think a lot of trust is in the markets because anything can happen now. We can see Sam kind of hinted that there are other crypto exchanges that are insolvent and can go bankrupt. So that's something to keep an eye on. Now, let's take a quick look here at Ethereum. What is happening with Ethereum? What exactly role does Ethereum have in all this? Because Vitalik Buterin did mention a few things, but he has been quiet overall in development for NFTs. And NFTs have slowed down, and Ethereum's kind of been out of this whole drama. But either way, the price is still getting impacted because, of course, the crypto community holds all these cryptos. So you see one going down, the others will fall together. Now we have this level here for Ethereum where we have been seeing support, resistance, resistance, resistance. And then we had these supports down here at these levels that all did break. And now Ethereum is about to test that $1,000 support. It looks like, again, if that breaks, we're heading down towards the yearly lows for Ethereum towards $800. So keep an eye on right now for the price action of Ethereum. Ethereum did not hit a new yearly low yet. Bitcoin did, and I do expect Ethereum to also hit a new yearly low, trading down towards $600 within these next few weeks or so. But next week, I'm going to make another analysis to keep you updated on what's happening with the price action. And again, this is Currency.com with your host, John Doe. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Show your love to the channel, and we'll be back with much more. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.